Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to print a PDF double-sided or create a folded booklet using Adobe Acrobat? Adobe Acrobat includes printing options that can automatically print on both sides of the paper and arrange PDF pages into booklet format or manuals, programs, reports, and small books. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to print double-sided and print a booklet from PDF in Adobe Acrobat in 2020. So first thing, how to print double-sided in Adobe Acrobat. So open the PDF, launch Adobe Acrobat. Open the PDF you want to print, review the document to ensure all pages appear correctly, verify page order before printing, then open the print dialog. Okay, so select File and Print or press Ctrl+P, Command+B for Mac. This opens Acrobat's printing options. So most print settings are configured here. Select your printer, choose the printer you want to use. Okay, verify that it supports duplex or double-sided printing if available. Many office and home printers supports automatic duplex printing. Okay, so enable double-sided printing, look for options such as print on both sides or two-sided printing. Enable the option. Common choices include flip on long edge or flip on short edge. So preview and print, review the print preview and verify orientations, okay, page order, and then click print. Now how to print a booklet from a PDF. So open the print dialog again, select File and Print if the print window is not already open. Okay, already open. Booklet printing is configured from the same print menu. So select booklet printing under page sizing and handling. Choose booklet. Adobe Acrobat will automatically rearrange pages for booklet production. Okay, so choose booklet settings, okay, and then review the booklet preview, and that's it guys. Print and assemble the booklet. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.